I have a pretty packed day tomorrow and I want to film it, and like I want to show my room because it's messy, and you know, I'm sure yours is too. Quick look. Ah, scary. I'm gonna paint my skates right now. I have to repaint them because mine came in white and I want them to be black, so I gotta do that. There's Morris. And I have a fun weekend planned, so I'll bring you guys. Hi. Vlog. We're going to move me out of my house.
We're gonna take some stuff and we're gonna put it somewhere else.
Literally. And I'm gonna move for the second time in a month.
Fuck landlords.
Fuck landlords. Fuck landlords. We got our things. This is all my shit.
All the shite.
All my shite. It's gonna leave my gorgeous skating bag. But I am gonna film Carlos stickers. Almost apprehended by the police.
By the popo.
How do you feel?
I feel slate and wig and yas.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? We're in the car. We're mukbanging. In the Carcious. I got chicken fried rice and spring rolls, vegetable spring rolls, and Carlo here.
I got barbecued pork and fried calamari.
Fuck yeah. Fuck this. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'll show it all before I eat it. Ate it all in 5 seconds. So, Carlo, let's talk about how we met. How did we meet?
So, I was getting interviewed by Farm Boy. And
Is it in the middle of your interview?
yeah.
That's why I didn't like me because I interrupted you mid-interview.
You came in during the interview and you're like, oh my god, nice docs.
I don't know, with your interview, I thought you were already hired. That's why Miss Bleep hated me. Also, it's because we were meant to be friends, so. I guess. But you're like a reoccurring guest in my videos, to be honest. You want one? Okay. Crispy fried squid. Crispy.
Wide squid.
I'm just eating hella spring rolls.
That's a shit.
Starting tea, I'm like so hungry all the time.
Really?
Like yeah, like before, like honestly, yeah, women, you just know. Sometimes you're not fucking hungry. Women and men with estrogen. Sometimes you know you're just not fucking hungry. But with tea, like I could just eat.
Really? Crave the
I don't know why.
sustenance.
I don't know what it is.
If you like some squid, go ahead.
I have so much food to work on.
I know.
But it's for now and then for later.
Oh yeah.
It could also all be for right now. Morris just took the nastiest, smelliest shit of all time. Dirty. I filmed my skating practice yesterday. I ate shit. Like I fell on my booty. I didn't want cucumbers, but I didn't want to say no to the kind man. He was very nice. Outfit check. Jimmy the Greek stained pants. Jade's outfit check. Wet shoes, Converse, dress, I guess thrifted. This, okay. And purse, board. Yes! That's actually nice for a thrift. For life again. I can't read it. Slay. Traveling. Bug Nation. 5:59. We get to go. Just with a super crawl, and now we're leaving. Because we're tired. And that's life. And now there's people, so I'm putting my camera this way. Oh, hi! Yeah. Hi! For sure. Hi! What's your name? Look at his purple color. Why are you such a good boy? I think it's a boy. Oh, there's a dog. Can I film with you? Paul. I love your bush plant.
Thanks, Chris. One time at a party in first year, we saw this at someone's house.
It's so good. Your shelves are also really cute. Did they come with the house?
No, thank you.
Oh, I might have to cough.
They're like $10. Part of it's real bad, but everything like looks normal. So I'm like, maybe I should check. It's not even like hurting where.
Oh, you're so handsome. Don't wake it. Oh my god.
I can't go out with you. I would not be very happy about
What's
that.
his
Like,
name? Kramer. Love his bum. It's Kramer.
Oh.
Kramer's gonna be in my vlog now. Kramer, you're gonna be in my vlog, Kramer, I'm in love with you, Kramer.
Look at that.
I'm getting your butt.
Hi, sweetheart.
He's such a little sucky poo. I knew it. As soon as,
go.
as soon as because he's gay. It's because he's queer and he knows it. He likes This vlog has turned into and just like you're an orange cat for show. Yeah.
Hi.
What's good?
like someone to teach me, honestly. I don't know how to do it correctly, but I got the right amount.